Previously on the Yamaha Radian build, we focused on the rear of the bike by getting the monoshock in place and making custom mounting points to mimic the factory ride height. In this episode, the mission is to create a new subframe and start making this concept build a reality. Alright, go for it.
Gone.
That was easy.
That was nice.
Good cut. All right, take us through what we're doing, where we're at, and what the plan
Yeah,
is.
so from here, our goal is to weld this onto here and line it up where we want it in proportion to the rear tire and the hooping whole system here. But we smooth everything out here. There were a bunch of welds and everything on there. So got all that, everything's prepped, and now we just need to cut it where we want.
Okay. So why'd you pick that kind of position shape?
This, I just like there's a little bit of a bend here and a little bit of a bend right there. And it's subtle but noticeable at the same time. And I think it's just like the cool look I'm going for.
Okay.
Don't want anything too extreme. So.
Yeah. And so you're keeping it a bit longer because you also want potential for a passenger, right?
Exactly, yep.
So that's always a challenge. So we have an idea in mind for this, and I don't know how we're going to execute it yet, but it's going to be fun.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
So with any rear hoop situation, we're just prepping the tubes. I went ahead and I machined up some frame slugs. So we're working with a thinner tube diameter here, or a thinner wall here versus the actual hoop. So that's why I have a step in that. So one end fits nicely in there, and then that end fits in there. So yeah, that will, and what that does, instead of relying on just the weld, we're building in a little extra structure right there. So fail safe, and we'll have a couple rosette welds on it. So we definitely don't want to drop that in there.
Break out the magnet.
Yeah, we'll have to go fishing. So anyway, once that's on there, I've been real big on this line, and that line matches, you know, the line of the tank and the valve cover. So I think it's all going to come together and be like pretty cohesive. So I'm excited.
Swoopy.
Yeah, and I have like a platform here. There's no Radian that's done like this, so it's gonna be cool.
Beautiful. Just throw bolts right here and just make it removable if we want. I forgot to turn it on.
No. Ground.
Yeah.
I just jumped into my own shot.
And I may have hit the tip.
Say what?
I may have hit the tip a little bit.
That's all right. We'll clean it up. Okay.
Such a lot.
Yeah, that's all right. About to look cooler on the ground.
Oh, man.
Okay. This is weird, just don't jump on it, but it should hold your weight. It's tacks.
It feels small.
Well, the seat's lower. You roll down the ramp?
Yeah.
I don't know if you actually should. Front end's not exactly held together by anything. First ride.
2 leg horsepower. Oh, there's no net up here. That's so cool.
With the tank in position and subframe mocked up, we can now start working on packaging all the necessary components of the bike. Some suspension bracing and an electronics tray are next on the list. I hope you enjoyed this one. Check out some other videos on the channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.